Hello everybody, my name is Miss Samantha from the D. Brown Library, and I am here to show you how to make a wind chime using things around your house, because I know that we're having to stay inside a lot, so that's why it's great to have this, just find stuff around your house, in your yard, things like that. Of course, first thing, some of the things you're going to need is a stick. It can be as long or as short as you want it to be, doesn't matter, it's up to you. And some other things you need are going to be what you want to hang on your stick to make the wind chime. For example, I have an old key like that, and I actually got a bookmark, thought that might be fun. Half of a water bottle, I got a spoon here, I even have some beads. So you'll just need to find whatever's around your house and something to tie up to the stick. For example, I'm using twine, this, or you can get some string if you have string around the house, even some yarn, or an old shoelace, just whatever you can use to kind of connect the two things together, or all the stuff. And of course you'll need some scissors to help cut whatever kind of string, twine, whatever you might use. So one of the first things you're going to do is you're going to get a piece of your twine, string, whatever, to use to tie. And then you're going to choose something, like I have a whistle, that might be fun. And so you're going to find a spot, like there's a little circle hook thing. You're going to put the thread through there, and you're going to tie a knot, just like that. You might want to do double knot, just to make sure it stays really well, just like that. And let's see, can get another part, get that bookmark. That's one of the things I have, just like that. You make that little knot, and then make a second one, just like that. And once you have some of your stuff together, you're going to get your stick, just like that, and whatever item you want to start with, I'm going to put it around the stick, and you're going to do the same thing that you did on this end. You're just going to make it into a little knot, just like that, just like that. I also had a pin I put on there. And of course you want to have them as close together as you can, so they make the clanking sound. So, get my little charm on here. And get my key. And then it kind of starts to make a little wind chime. And like I said, I even had found some beads around my house, so I wanted to put a little color on it. So maybe you can find some kind of beads or special yarn. We'll get this to tie right. Okay, there we go. See? Let me go ahead and put one more thing on there. You see? Now it's kind of starting to make a little clinking sound. Of course you can put more on there, make a lot more noise. So, and let me show you one final string. Like I said, you can put more things on there if I wanted to. But I'll go ahead and put my little bookmark on there since I've shown you that one. Oh, almost forgot the bottom. I like this one, I don't know why, that was fun. There we go. Got all sorts of noises going on. Well, once you have all your items on there, as much or as little as you want, you're going to need to get a little bit longer string so that we can make it into the wind chime to hang. And so, we'll tie one end, kind of the same way that we use these, to tie all of our objects. And you're going to tie, once you get that side tied, you're going to come over on this side. Like that. And then you have a little hanger to make your wind chime. And so you can put it outside if you like, or you can even hang it up in your room or somewhere in your house, and then just kind of go by. You can just kind of do that. And the more things you have on there and all that, you can, you know, make more of a noise. And of course you can have all sorts of colorful things. So I hope this is some kind of activity or craft that can make fun and you would enjoy at home, be able to find lots of objects around your house to make it colorful and bright. So, and if you happen to be around somewhere, able to put it on Facebook or YouTube, wherever this might be, you can always make a little comment saying, hey, this was a lot of fun, or whatever. You can just let me know if you enjoyed it, show me pictures, just whatever. I'd love to hear from y'all. So y'all have a great day. Thank you. Bye.